Wow, guys, I bought my first ever camera. I'm so excited. Now I start on my way to become a professional photographer. Hopefully, my passion will take me someplace in the future. But I just want to show you, this is the box that I bought from Costco. Let's see, open it up to see what inside. So, oh yeah. So first we had 75 to 300 millimeter lens. This is a very big lens. Let's go here next. So we had a camera itself. It's a EOS Rebel T6. Alright, what else inside the box? Oh, we get the carry case for the boxes, and we get a DVD to show in digital camera instructional video. Man, it's going to show me what they say. Show me how to get things started, camera reparation, and camera setting. I will learn some basic camera shooting now. Oh, they also had a 32 GB memory card, but I recommend you buy the separate one from either Costco online, at least like 64 GB or 120 GB. Maybe better to get a 256 GB. And they say read it first. Look like that's what we're going to read first before we. So they say getting started easy at 1, 2, 3. Alright. After I done unboxing it, what's else? Must be a warranty form. Yeah, it's a free Canyon maintenance service. Alright, guys. So look like in this box we should have the optical. And what does mark me in the lens of the camera body? Oh, this is including the lens, so we don't have that one. Yeah, this is all the item we have. If you buy the Canon EOS Rebel T6 from Costco, carrying case, the camera, 75 to 300 millimeter lens, the instructional DVD, the free Canon maintenance service, a voucher, and a 32 GB memory card. That's it, guys. I will show you guys more video that I'm going to shoot with this camera. Hey, like and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.